So to start the procurement activities, may request Ma'am Yvonne to lead the prayer. Good morning to everyone, to my BAC members, BAC TWG, BAC Secretariat, observers, our partners in the development and the people of the Republic of the Philippines, especially the constituents of Sultan Kudarat II, District Engineering Office. Today, May 28, 2026, I would like to welcome you to the opening of bids of 3 civil works projects in line with Department Order 105 Series of 2020 pursuant to Administrative Order 34 issued by the previous President Rodrigo Duterte dated October 23, 2020, wherein the principles of transparency and accountability in the public service were reiterated, and in order to avoid irregularities in the procurement process, transparency and accountability in all government transactions, especially in procurement process, shall be observed. I formally welcome you to our DPWH second DEO YouTube live streaming. Before we start, I would like to request the BAC Secretariat, Mr. Loriso, to read the attendance to check and verify the quorumness of the BAC.
Good morning, everyone. Today is May 28, 2026, and we're about to have our opening of bids. I'll give to you the attendance for the opening of bids, but before that, I'll give a recap on what happened during the deadline of drafting of bids. So at exactly 10 a.m. this morning, the bid box has been sealed and the keys has been turned over in front of the presiding officer of the chairperson. And the following bidder draft their bids, we have from JB Construct. And for the attendance for the opening of bids, for our BAC members, we have a presiding officer, our BAC chairperson, the chief of the maintenance section, Engineer Reynaldo G. Castor, together with our BAC vice chairperson, the chief of the planning design section, Engineer Abdaruddin Patuan, with our BAC regular member, Engineer Johera Magarang, with our BAC provisional member, so NGS representative for civil works, the chief of the construction section, Engineer Pinky Isdoroin, and with us our live streaming, our BAC provisional member, Engineer Jade Cordero. For our BAC Technical Working Group, headed by Engineer Al-Rafidi Kamama, members of the BAC Technical Working Group, Engineer Conejin Padilla, Engineer Dominic Madriaga. For our BAC Secretariat, headed by Engineer Anthony Pidimen, head of the procurement staff, members of the BAC Secretariat, yours truly, Franco Valorizo, and Sir Alan Alferano is currently conducting the civil works application eligibility processing. For our observers, we have invited observers, but so far wala pa pong dumarating. Sir, we have 5 out of 5 BAC members for civil works.
Thank you, Mr. Loriso. I would like to formally open this bidding at exactly 10:21 in the morning. Now I will give the keys to bid box to our TWG and observer, and kindly open the box.
Sir, correction. The bid box has been sealed yesterday. The deadline originally May 27, 2028, and the opening of bids is postponed due to non-quorum and is scheduled today, May 28, 2026.
The bid box would consist only one folder. We will be opening the One Civil Works project. The technical documents of civil works will be read while simultaneously processing for its eligibility through civil works application. Now I would like to request the BAC Secretariat together with the BAC TWG to start. We have 3 projects scheduled for opening. The 26MH0026, Rehabilitation and Major Repair of Bridge, Milbuk Bridge along Awang Upi, Lebak, Kalamansig, Palimbang, Sarangani Road, with a contract duration of 77 calendar days with a PC of 5,002,900 pesos. You have the loan bidder, the multi-birders, but they withdrew their bid proposal. For the next project, the 26MH0027, Rehabilitation and Major Repair of Bridge, Narra Bridge along Awang Upi, Lebak, Kalamansig, Sarangani Road. Contract duration 84 calendar days with EBC of 4,928,420 pesos. We have 1 bidder, the Minrak multi-bidders, but still they withdraw their bid proposals. So we only open the last project, the contract ID 26MH0073. Construction of multipurpose building, Gymnasium, Lebak Legislated National High School, Barangay Poblacion 3, Lebak, Sultan Kudarat. Contract duration 111 calendar days with an EBC of 1,980,000. You have the loan bidder, the DPWH. Now let's proceed to the opening of technical documents civil works.
Opening the technical component of the bids submitted by GB Constec for the contract ID 26MH0073. Field registration, Platinum membership, valid. Certificate of Business Name registration, signed and valid. Mayor's permit, attached, signed, and valid. Tax clearance certificate, also attached, signed, and valid. List of all ongoing government and private construction contracts, attached and signed. Statement of bidder single largest completed contract, also attached and signed. Pickup license, also attached, signed, and valid. Bid securing declaration, attached, signed, and duly notarized, dated May 25, 2026. Organizational chart, also attached and signed. List of key personnel, also attached and signed. List of contractors' equipment units to be assigned to the contract, also attached and signed. Materials testing equipment certification, also attached, signed, and valid. Omnibus sworn statement, 11 items, attached, signed, and duly notarized. Sworn affidavit of eligibility and beneficial ownership, also attached, signed, and duly notarized. Sworn disclosure of relation and beneficial ownership, also attached, signed, and duly notarized. ISO certificate, attached and valid and signed. Integrity pledge for DPWH contractor, also attached and signed. audited financial statements, attach and sign. Net financial contracting capacity, also attach and sign. Mr. Chair,
As per checklist, GB Constec submitted the complete documents.
So now let's proceed to the opening of financial documents, but before that we will read the eligibility result from our CWE. For contract ID 26M073, for GB Constec, work experience pass, NFCC pass, for eligible. So let's open the financial documents of GB Constec.
opening the financial component of the bids submitted by JB Constec for the contract ID 26MH0073. Bid form, attach and sign. Bill of quantities, attached, and all pages are signed. Detailed estimates also attached. All pages are signed with summary. Cash flow also attached and presented by quarter. And for the bid price to be read by our bank chairperson.
The total bid price of GB Constec for contract ID 26M0073, 1,975,399 pesos and 10 centavos. 1,975,399 pesos and 10 centavos. No discount offered. So we have finished the opening of their bid proposal. I would like to remind the bidders that your document will still undergo the post-qualification and the result of today's bidding is still not final. For the other matters from the back members, DPWH.
Pwede natin discuss yung sir, yung itong checklist natin, sir, Ray, para maklaro. Lods, pwede na ba i-discuss yung other matters itong gusto ko i-discuss? Or after na lang ng close?
I-end na lang natin. From Brack Secretariat.
From the Secretariat, sir, we have a scheduled pre-bid conference today. After this opening of bids, it will be scheduled the opening of bids on June 10, 2026.
So we'll proceed to the closing of the opening of bids.
I move to adjourn the meeting, sir.
The motion was raised by Engineer Magarang and seconded by Engineer Patuan. I formally close this bidding at exactly 10:32 in the morning. Our bidding conference officially ended. On behalf of the People's Republic of the Philippines, especially the people of Sultan Kudarat II District Engineering Office, I would like to thank everyone for your participation. Once again, thank you and good morning.